Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to change fonts in Webflow. Alright, so let's begin with the video. To get started, the first thing you'll need to do is log in to your Webflow account. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the Webflow dashboard. Now that you're on the dashboard, the next step is to locate the specific project you wish to work on. And when you find the one you want to edit, click on it to open it in the Webflow Designer. With your project open, it's time to identify the text element whose font you want to change. This could be any text on your website, such as a heading, a paragraph, or even a link. Click directly on the text element within the Webflow canvas to select it. Once your desired text is selected, next, direct your attention to the right side of your screen, where you'll find the Style panel. Here, scroll down within the Style panel until you reach the Typography section, which manages everything related to text styles. Once in the Typography section, locate the Font drop-down menu. This is your gateway to a variety of font options. Click on it, and you'll see a list of fonts that are available for use. To complete this process, all that's left to do is select the font you wish to use. Click on the desired font from the list, and it will be instantly applied to your selected text element. And that's it. So that is how you can change fonts in Webflow. So that's all for this video. Thanks.